Good afternoon, everyone. This is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com, and welcome. Welcome to an upcoming lecture. It's happening next week called Trade the Trend. My name is Melissa Armo, and I own a company called The Stock Swoosh LLC. If you'd like more information on this upcoming free lecture, feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com or go to my website, www.thestockswoosh.com as well. So you can go to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or Skype, and like me at any one of these places to learn more information about me, the Stock Swoosh, upcoming classes, or the free webinar about trends that's happening next week. So the free webinar is on Tuesday, December 3rd. It'll be here before you know it. Time is 3 o'clock Eastern Time. The registration is free. All you have to do is go to this link here and sign up ahead of time. And feel free to come. It'll be very interesting. It's a great topic. Do you know how to read trends? If you're trading the market, you really have to ask yourself this because it's very important. Trading the trend is the only way to make consistent gains and money in the market. And yet, many traders miss the importance of trading with the trend on a daily basis. Also, many traders misread and misinterpret the trend in a chart. In fact, reading the trend in a chart is a concept that is so important that it often gets overlooked. Understanding the trend in a chart is vital to the success of a trade, and you want your trades to be successful. It's so much more than just looking at pivots or highs and lows. The way to correctly read the trend in a stock or the market is to identify and read price gaps. Reading gaps tells you what institutional money is doing in the chart now and also gives an indication of what it will do in the future. So the technical analysis reading of gaps really gives you an edge to take positions with the trend. Learn how you can do this and also how gaps work. Gaps make the trend, set the trend, and can even change the trend in a stock chart, which is very exciting when you see it happen. Trend trading accurately provides multiple purposes for traders. You can swing trade or core trade or day trade gaps with a trend in a chart. So once you learn how to read trends accurately, you can take it to multiple levels. You want to be a day trader, you want to be a swing trader, you want to be a core trader, you want to be an investor. You can take it to all these kinds of levels once you know how to read things right. The trend is your friend. I know this is an old adage, but it's so, so true. Just like man's best friend here is this doggy guy, you have to be able to trade with trends. I don't know why people want to get tricky and do stuff against the trend. They think that that's going to provide them with some crazy huge trade. The huge trades come from being with the power money that's setting the trend in the first place, and you got to be able to read it right, and that's how you profit. There's just so much more to trends than pivots, and we're going to talk about this in the class. This is a clipping of the market, and you can see here that many pivots were broken in the market, and yet the market stayed in the uptrend. It isn't an uptrend. It is rallying into the end of this month in November and going to rally into the close of this year, 2013. Reading what is there, okay, and what you wish was there are just two completely different things. So you might really want the market to come in. Like you think the market's getting toppy, it's going to come in, it's going to come in. But what you wish was there and what is actually there is just two different things. So you've got to be able to look at things objectively. And gaps help you do this, and that's what we're going to discuss in the free class. Gaps can be used to swing, core, day trade. They have multiple purposes to make money and profit, which is what you want to do. Golden gaps are very useful. It's like you have a set of tools. You use those tools to fix something at the house. You're either not going to be able to fix something right at the house, or you're going to have a hard time doing it, fixing whatever's broken if you don't have the right tools. The right tools help you trade right, and the right tools help you fix things. Here was a beautiful gap in ANF, and the move here that happened was a beautiful, nice, bearish short trade. And yet this guy over here doesn't look like much, and yet it was a very nice trade as well. This is a follow-through. A follow-through of what? A follow-through of the larger picture of the trend in ANF. The stock opened and broke, fell, rallied up again, and triggered right in here and had a beautiful trade in here in less than 10 minutes. Entry time was 9.36. Price is 34.34. Stop over 34.50. The risk is 16 cents. On 3,500 shares, this is an advanced risk of $560. Exit is 33.65. Total profit, 24.15. This is 4.3 times the amount risk made in profit. turning $560 into $24.15 in 8 minutes. So this is the kind of thing where if you learn how to read trends, you can take trades like this. You can find trades like this, even looking at something that doesn't even look like much. I mean, this bar didn't even close all the way down here. It didn't even get to the target, and it was a 4-hour trade. So really, really, really powerful information to learn how to read trends right. I want to go over this because it's good to use examples for beginners. Not everyone can take a $500 risk, and you shouldn't if you're a brand new trader anyways. You have a small account, you're a beginner trader, take a beginner risk. What would that be? Same trade, same everything, except the amount of shares is going to be $350 or $56 instead of $3,500. Exit still the same, entry still the same, profit's $241, and guess what? This is still a 4-hour trade, a nice 4-hour trade, risking only $56, and anyone can do this. Anyone who's trading the market can risk $56. This is a very nice trade for this amount of money, and you can turn $56 into $241 in 8 minutes. So, you know, you get to a point where you can trade and do this over and over and over and over and over again. Then you're upping it to the point you can take the advanced risk. You got to start from somewhere, and you have to learn how to trade and read trends right. We're going to do a live market review after the webinar. And what we're going to talk about at the webinar is an hour long, the free class, and then we're going to talk about where the market's at next Tuesday, December 3rd, into the beginning period of this month, the last calendar month of the year. And I'm also going to do a gap review, an after hours gap review to see the stocks that are gapping at 4 o'clock Eastern time on December 3rd. So learn how to read trends so you can make money in the market. Come to the free webinar. It's going to be great. First of all, the class is going to be great from 3 to 4, talking about trends and how to read trends right. Then I'm going to review the market, and then I'm going to go over live gaps that I see. So it's going to be very informative. The Golden Gap course is a complete system to use to trade. This is the class that I teach, and there's all the pieces of the puzzle here. You need to learn how to read trends to be able to trade successfully. And the class is called the Golden Gap course. It's a full 2-day course on how to strategically find, pick, and play stocks that are professional bearish gaps. It's an online class. Retakes are free. The class is December 14th and 15th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The cost is $24.99. If you're interested, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. The class is a professional bearish gap system. This is the last class that I'm doing for 2013, this calendar year, and it is going to fill up. So if you are serious about signing up and really want to learn how to read trends and understand how this plays a big factor at gaps in how you trade successfully, then email me for more information and register ahead of time. So get on the right path to success with the Golden Gap course. Coming into the winter months, it's actually snowing right now. I'm looking out my window as I'm seeing this. Get on the right path to trade successfully. For 2014, you can do it. A new year and a new you. 2014 is just around the corner. Get conviction in your trading. Lift your trading to a higher level now. If not now, when? The time for you to be successful and profitable is now, right now. No waiting anymore. Learn how to correctly read trends to make money trading. Come to this informative and exciting webinar. So I will see you there. Free webinar Tuesday. It's Tuesday, December 3rd at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. Go to this link right here and register. Registration is free. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening, everyone. If you'd like more information on the live lecture, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com.